idea to make a video. It's such a windy day. I don't think so. Hi guys, my name is Nas Akkerman and I am a yoga teacher. And this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. This is my second YouTube channel. The first one, it's only for vlogs, my travels and all this stuff, but it's only in Russian language, sorry. On this channel, I'm gonna uploading the video with yoga practice, with meditation, with pranayams, because for past 2 years I live in India, I practice yoga. I'm gonna share my knowledge with you, and as you can hear and as you can see, I have some small accent, but maybe you can't recognize where I'm from, but I already say that. So I'm from Russia. I learn English and I hope I'm speaking very well, as I can say to myself. So please follow me, join me in my yoga class. Hi Lucky, what's up dirty boy? No, don't make a step. But you just destroyed my video, boy. See? Maybe some bloggers and bloggers planning that, but I'm not. Today's kind of windy. I'm surprised. Normally it's super hot, like 46, 41 degrees. Yeah. Hey, stop. And thanks for watching till this moment. You are super cool. Hi guys, this is a small addition to my main short video, and yeah, as you can see, I'm holding the mic because it's too noisy and too loud around of me. This is a try number 10, I guess, maybe more. I tried to make this video right. So, I just want to let you know that in this YouTube channel, I'm gonna do everything in English. Yay! And second, except yoga, I also want to post it some vlogs, my daily life, what I'm doing, my travels, my modeling work, I don't know how I'm cooking or do some stuff in the kitchen. Also, I will be posted some talking videos when I will share with you some skills, some life hacks, let's say how to travel and not spend much money, how to live for free in Tokyo, how to live for free using couch surfing in London, and many things. Yeah, and I hope you will enjoy this. So also, you're free to contact me. There is a link below this video. It's my Instagram and my second YouTube channel, but unfortunately second YouTube channel in Russian language. So yeah, this channel will be in English, and I hope my accent not destroy everything. I mean, I hope you still can understand me, but let me know if you need any subtitles or something like that. I will try my best talking without some Russian accent. But if you want to, I also can speak with you with Russian accent. I mean, up to you, of course, my friend. So, yeah. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching this short video. So, I just tried to say that you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. This is new for me. I mean, the yoga practice which I will post it and share with everybody is like super new. And also new because this channel will be in English, which means I will practice my English more. And you also welcome to a little bit, how to say that, fix it, my English. If you will hear some problem, if you will hear something not perfect. I mean, obviously it will be something not perfect, but whatever. So, thanks for watching this short video. I just was happy to introduce myself to you. And if you have any question about yoga, please ask me in comments. I will be happy to answer to you. So it was Nas Akkerman. I'm glad to introduce myself to you. See you soon. Bye.